Why is your business not succeeding? The truth nobody talks about, but every struggling business needs to hear this. What is stopping you from succeeding is not money. It is not that you are not working hard enough. The real problem runs deeper than that. And today, I'm going to show you exactly what it is. Most business owners, they are struggling and don't even know why. They keep trying new strategies, new products, and nothing changes. The problem is not in your strategy. The problem is something that nobody is ready to talk about. By the time those videos end, you will never look at your business like this again. The first problem is self-doubt. The enemy is not outside your business. It is inside your head. Self-doubt, it will make you disbelieve yourself before you even start. You feel you need to know more about your business. You need to do more. You need to be better before you start. Deep down inside you, you feel that you don't deserve the business that you're about to start. The truth is that nobody feels 100% ready. The people winning right now started before they were ready to. The only difference is that they move anyway. Even when they are not ready, they move. The second problem is inconsistency. You only show up when you feel like. Feelings are not part of the business strategies. You start strong, but you disappear in the journey. You are motivated at the beginning, tired along the journey, and only show up when you feel like. Let me tell you this. Some days you'll be tired. Some days you feel weak, but you still need to show up even when you're tired or weak. Success has a true relationship with consistency. The third problem, you're waiting for the perfect time, which there can never be a perfect time. The perfect time for you to start is now. Let me ask you a question. Is there anything like perfect time? There is never a perfect time if you keep waiting for it. You are making promises to yourself and you keep postponing. You need to set up now and work with what you have. The perfect time for you to do anything, for you to do that thing that is in your mind, is now, because time waits for nobody. The fourth problem, you learn without you executing it. You are consuming and not creating. Knowledge without action is useless. You keep consuming courses, videos, books. You want to be perfect, but you never put in the effort. You can have all the knowledge and still be broke, because knowledge have nothing to do with you becoming successful. The truth is that knowledge without executing it is just entertainment. Dreaming without work is dead. Stop collecting. Start executing. That's your little plan. That's your little idea. Step out, take action. And the last problem, which is the big one, is no clear direction. Most people are in business without clarity, no direction, no plan, and no vision. You have a goal, but you have no vision. Without direction, you burn out and you give up easily. A clear vision is not a luxury, but it is the foundation. It keeps you consistent even when motivation fades. It keeps you focused when distraction comes. Without vision, you just get busy without you achieving anything. Are you ready to build a business that actually works? Type ready in the comment section and we will reach out to you. Subscribe, turn on your notification for more. Bye-bye. See you there.